Lightning strikes heat the air around them to over 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun, in just a single second. That kind of insane temperature spike happens so fast, you'd never even see it coming. This superheating causes the air to expand explosively, creating a shockwave that blasts out in all directions. That shockwave is what we hear as thunder, a sound so powerful it can rattle windows and shake the ground. So, every time you see a lightning bolt, you're witnessing the atmosphere transforming into a furnace hotter than our star, all in the blink of an eye. The light comes first, but the real drama is in the thunder that follows. Next time a storm rolls in, remember you're not just seeing a flash or hearing a boom, you're experiencing one of nature's most extreme energy surges, hotter and more intense than anything most of us will ever touch.